Hi guys, I hope you are fine. Me too, I'm fine. So guys, let's look at this question and see what we can do about it. So I write the question here. Z is a complex number which has both the real part, which is 2 there, plus the imaginary part, which is 2 square root of 3 j. So guys, the first thing we do is represent this in an Haggard diagram. And here we have a Haggard diagram. I have not yet drawn it complete, but this is just the axis I have drawn. So here guys, we come and represent it in this Haggard, or in this axis, X and Y. Guys, for the real part, it's on this x-axis. You can call it, it's supposed to be 2. And the imaginary part is 2 square root of 3. So where they meet now, this is where now they form the modulus. The curve formed, the straight line formed represent now our complex number. So that is the straight line. And so guys, we can now find both the modulus, which we call it m, and the argument. Argument we can call it phi, like that. So guys, to get that, we have the opposite here, opposite, which is the length along the y-axis, and the length along the x-axis is 2. So we can get now what we call the argument, which is tan phi equals to opposite, which is root 3 multiplied by 2 all over 2, which is now the adjacent. You can cancel that. So that tan, can say phi is equals to tan inverse square root of 3. So guys, we can now be able to get the argument. And the argument is given by shift tan square root of 3. This one gives us 60. So the argument here, guys, is going to be 60 degrees. So guys, now we can also look for the modulus. For the modulus, m squared is given by the Pythagoras theorem, which now gives us 2 squared plus, that is 4 times 3, because that is, you square that, you get 4 times 3. So this is going to be m squared, it's going to be 16. So therefore m is going to be 4, like that. So guys, we've been able to get both the modulus and the argument. So guys, we have our Z4, then Z4 is now equal to, in polar form, we have 4, and then we also have 60 degrees. And so guys, what we are looking for is the solution for Z. But before we go to the solution for Z, this one then is given by R, which is now the modulus for Z, and theta, the argument for Z. So this one is now raised to 4, like that. So guys, we are now going to have R raised to 4. This one gives us 4. So the R is going to be equal to cube, that is of 4, not cube, but that is the I would say the square root times 2 of that. I don't know what I would call it, but it's written like that. So this one gives us r equals to, this is 2 squared, and then you put a quarter there. So this one r gives us square root of 2. So we've been able now to find the r. Now going to theta, according to us here we have 4 theta, according to the De Moivre's theorem, 4 theta is equals to 60 degrees. And so guys, we can put it like this: 4 theta equals to 60 plus 360 degrees. And the reason why we put it like that, guys, is because this represents the first time you come here, we'll go to another revolution. From here you go next again 360, again 360, and this are supposed to give us the other solutions, so that we now can say k equals to 0. We have 4 theta equals to 60. We have k here. This is the number of revolution. So we have 4 theta equals to 60. And so therefore theta is equals to 15 degrees. We go now to k equals to 1. This will be 4 theta equals to 60 plus, when you put 1 there, you get 420. And so theta there is going to be, you divide that one by 4, it's going to be 105 degrees. Again, k equal to 2. There we have 4 theta equals to, now when you put 2 there, you'll have 720. 720 plus 60 is 780. So theta will then be equal to, you divide by 4 there, you have 1, remainder 3, then you have 9, remainder 2, that is 195 degrees. I hope we are okay there. 780, that is 780 divided by 4. That gives us 195. Again, we go again another round. K equals to 3. You have 4 theta equals to 3 times 360. 360 times 3 equals to 1080. And so therefore, theta equals to 1080 divided by 4 equals to 270. So guys, here are our arguments. And finally guys, our solution then is going to be, we begin with the r. The first one, I can write it in polar form. Square root of 2 and 15. Then the other one, we have square root of 2, 105, and then the other one, we have square root of 2, 195 degrees. And finally, we have square root of 2 270 degrees. So guys, those are our solution for that. And so guys, thank you for listening to me. Bye bye.